Morning and Assalamu alaikum from Multan in Pakistan. Yeah, so I stayed at this hotel last night called the Hotel Park Continental. Yeah, I'm just checked out now. I'm gonna go and do a sort of a city tour of Multan. I left my luggage and I'm gonna leave my bike here as well. I'm gonna come back and collect my bike and my luggage, and then I'm gonna go to the Bahawalpur. So I'm gonna have a breakfast, and then I'm gonna gonna do a sort of city tour. Okay.
वापसी भी आना के
फिलहाल उधर जाना है।
और बजे
Yeah, I am here at this place called Sadar Bazaar, just hunting for a breakfast place. Apparently, the rickshaw driver dropped me here. It's a little bit early, not many people around here, so. नाश्ता चाहिए?
हाँ ले नाश्ता हलवा पूरी का नाश्ता ये मीठी पूड़ी है मालपूड़ा
Yeah, it's the lassi, the yogurt drink. Yes, gold, like a gold. और आप ठीक है?
अल्लाह पाक का बड़ा आसान है, शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
काम शाम कैसे कर रहे हैं?
शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, जो बात गुजर जाए।
Yeah, this is the Shah Rukn Alam tomb. Shah Rukn Alam was born in Multan on 26 November 1251. He was the grandson and the successor of Sheikh Bahauddin Zakaria. The tomb was built between 1320 and 1324 CE in the pre-Mughal architecture style. Today, the tomb is the focus of the pilgrims of over 100,000 pilgrims yearly from all over the South Asia. Yeah, I'm just leaving this Shah Rukn Alam tomb. It was a great experience, you know. I went inside, seeing the actual the tomb from inside as well. A lot of people were paying their tribute to their Sufi saint. a lot of followers of him here around here. Around here they come from different parts of the Punjab as well.
Thank you.
क्या नाम है आपका?
Ali Asghar.
Ali Asghar. So Ali Asghar is going to buy me a local ice cream called kulfi. So thank you, Ali Asghar.
It's okay.
Thank you. More flower shops. This front of me is a famous Ghantaghar in Multan city. Yeah, thank you very much again. I've been offered a free watch repair as well. One of my those holding rubber was missing, so the guy offered me, and yeah, so no money. So yeah, thank you.
और हमारे लायक
Thank you
काम
very
हो,
much. Thank you very much.
आपको घुमाए फिराए खाना खिलाए
Sir, thank you. Very nice of you. Thank you. Yeah, the people are so friendly here, you know. So I've been offered a free ice cream and now this free watch repair as well. So it is quite good, you know. These are the traditional Pakistani called chappal. अस्सलामुअलैकुम, क्या हाल है? आपकी है ये? आपकी है? मैं देखने के लिए आया हूँ, थोड़ा पसंद आ जाए देखता हूँ कोई चीज़। ये वीडियो है, वीडियो।
हमारी वीडियो कैसे आती है?
जी, आपकी वीडियो ऐसे आती है। They have Nike brand, they have Adidas, Milano. All sort of brands, second-hand shoes available for the kids as well. There are more shoes.
Let me tell you, it is one of the unique hotel of Multan city.
Oh, is it?
Yes, because as far as the cleanliness is totally hygienic and absolutely neat and clean atmosphere. You cannot find such an ordinary hotel and with the total format of cleanliness and hygienic.
No, I can see it's nice and clean. Yeah, I'm going to have a nice cup
How
of
much
tea.
order you are if you don't mind?
This is the guy, who makes a lovely tea. It's called Khalid Tea Stall,
And the old name is Badshah Hotel.
Badshah Hotel. Yeah.
And I am the
I met
regular
this
customer.
gentleman, it's so nice, and he didn't let me pay as well. He paid on my behalf
No,
as
no,
well.
also.
So thank you, sir. Thank you.
No,
Thank you.
Please come in.
Thank you. Hussain Agai.
This is one of the
Friend.
oldest bazaar of Multan.
Okay, so it's your friend's shop, right?
Yes, it's my friend shop, and he sells the traditional dresses of all cultures, not even Multani. This is Balochi culture, this is Sindhi culture, okay, and this is Multani culture, okay.
Look at these beautiful traditional dresses here. Mr. Masood's friend's shop, we just having a look here.
Even due to the expensive gold, now people comes to the trend has been changed. Now people like to artificial jewelry
Yeah.
because our gold is totally very expensive,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
people can't afford. Look at that. Even you can buy your rings for your.
It looks like a real gold.
Well, that is the shop.
No, I mean this looks like
it
real
seems
gold.
like a real
Yeah.
gold. Yeah. This shop is called Vasaya shop.
Yeah.
This one is the oldest shop of the Hussain Agahi,
Yeah.
and they are running it from the before Pakistan.
Really?
They are running it, and everything is delicious. It's a very popular
What
shop.
does he sell? Can you just explain what does he sell? Is rice? I can see the rice.
In the morning, he sells breakfast like halwa puri, like sweets halwa, like puri, and at the mid time he sells chole, pulao.
So this is a kind of
This is
chickpeas.
no.
with
This
some-
is kind of chana.
yeah, chana,
We call
so
it chana in
chickpeas, yeah,
Urdu.
chickpeas
very
and some
tasty.
curry.
This one is,
is
rice, okay, saltish, and this one is sweet rice.
Sweet
We
rice.
called it zarda.
Zarda.
Zarda, pulao, and chana. Okay. This is the master of the shop.
Very
Naam
nice.
Sapna.
Mohammed Hussain.
Muhammad Hussain is his
Yes.
name. These were the honor of he started this job.
Oh,
is
these
the
are
owner.
the pictures of
He
the,
was the owner
owners.
in. He started in 50s. This shop,
Oh, this.
and it was on a small, very
Small
small,
scale,
scale.
yeah.
And then it spread all over the Pakistan. Hafiz ka Multani Son Halwa is a brand now. As far as the Son Halwa category is concerned, Hafiz ka Multani Son Halwa, you can, it's a brand now, all
Very
over
nice.
the Pakistan. People like it. Whenever you will take the name of Multani Son Halwa, people will say Hafiz ka Multani Son Halwa. Dasो से क्या क्या वजह खाता सो मेरे को
काजू
दसो
पिस्ता अखरोट बादाम
काजू
Walnuts,
yes.
yes.
Oh,
Cashew
yes.
nuts.
And you can see.
Yes, you can see.
These are the ingredients which are the blend of this.
Oh, it's a blend of
Yeah, 1, 2, kaju, pista, badam, and this is
almonds,
almonds.
pistachio, cashew
And
nuts,
pistachio and
and walnuts.
or walnut.
Oh, it
Yeah.
looks very healthy and very heavy.
And it you will find it.
एक वीडियो बनानी है
Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much.
Please,
Thank
please
you.
come.
Thank you. Bye.
This is the main and old bazaar of Multan city called Chowk Bazaar. Majority of people who live here, who come from India after partition, they speak Urdu, but the locals speak Saraiki. They also live here. It is all made by hand. This is not by the machine. This is not by any plant. This is all by hand. Look at this. This one is made by hand. It is embroidered. So that is why it is expensive. The material is expensive and the labor is very expensive,
It looks expensive.
to embroider that one. Yes. These are for the casual dressing.
For the men, right?
For the men, there is
These
casual.
are the men. I'm going to try some coconut.
Yes.
Nice and fresh, very nice.
Because majority of people can't afford a big coconut. So he is selling in pieces that can be affordable to everyone. Now this one is the speciality for the people who can't afford the mega. This one on a cheap basis that common man can eat it easily.
इसकी बनाओ पहले अंग्रेजी पाकिस्तान थोड़ी बात कर वो अपनी बात बताने दो
This one they like to eat here. It is a bit very chilly, very saltish, but people
But
like
very
to
affordable.
Very yes, for
Cheap- cheaper than the
for the
restaurant.
common person, yes.
Ah, okay, very
For the laborer, they can afford
It's
it.
the meat, right?
You can taste it. Zara ko lala chakhawa. Having a good taste?
Very nice. A bit spicy, but
A
nice.
bit special, yes. Again, shukriya.
Thank you, sir.
खा लो भाईजान
Thank you.
very
Thank
much.
you. Look at this door, guys. It's absolutely amazing. And this building, whole building is.
Look, there are arches and the other thing. This is maybe that could be older, 100 years plus, I think.
Look at this electric system here, all the electric meters. You definitely need a highly qualified electrician to deal with this sort of, cabling and electric work. Look at those cables. Basically,
These are the residents sitting
people
here.
live in these buildings and they have some kettles.
These
They're
are the
outside
kids.
homes as well.
They like livestock to.
Yeah.
They like to feed livestock. Even they are related to their houses. They love goats and other kind of animals.
This building, look at this building, guys.
Yes.
People still live in these sort of buildings. I can see
people
the
are still
the
residents
clothes.
here.
Yeah, the people are still residing in there. It's amazing, quite amazing. It's quite old. You can see it's so fragile this building is.
And look at that. These doors are also 100 years plus older. More than 100 years.
Yeah, this building is more than 100 years old, and really quite amazing, you know. Wow. And their livestock, some are tied there as well.
They like their animals to travel.
Yeah.
Look at the
Look
kind
at this
of
door.
door.
What is it? Is it
It is no.
made of what?
It is wood, but it has been laminated. It has
Yeah.
been laminated by the steel, kind of steel.
Oh, it's okay. It's
Kind of steel, yes.
inside is the wood, but on the top
that
is
is
the
laminated. Yes,
Oh,
it's a wood. But is it
Inside is wood, on the top is they put the
laminated by
sheet-
this one,
sheet-
by this
sheet
metal,
of, sheet of
by
metal.
this metal. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Look at the living styles.
Old
They are still
neighborhood.
living here.
People still living here in this sort of building.
This is the real picture. These are the city. You know, look at this. The people live for the ventilation. They open, then they close, and they are now.
And it looks quite busy
Yes,
in here.
having a great devotion with their peer, and they act upon what he says, and he preaches about prayers, he preaches about having a good deeds, and he preaches to act upon on Islam. So they are their followers. They comes from different part of the city.
There's sort of a string in there, and
Yes.
just wear it.
Yes.
Or you can see the string here as well.
Even the thread is also available for their
Actually, this whole Multan is a sort of the city of the
Shrines.
shrines and Sufis, and everywhere you go, there are all shrines.
that
This
is
is
the
another
entrance
shrine.
of that shrine.
Musa
it is
Pak.
Hazrat Musa Pak Shaheed.
Shaheed.
Their real name was Hafiz Muhammad Abu al Hassan Jamaluddin Sani, but he was famous by Musa Pak. Okay, Musa name and Pak mean very pious, very holy,
Clean. and
very
holy.
clean.
Yeah.
Take this langar.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Hikmat Shah Sahib, this is also the relative of Mr. Yusuf Raza Gilani.
Oh, very
He's a
nice.
thoroughly gentleman, highly profile, educated, and even he is my school fellow, and he also belongs to Gilani family.
Very nice. Thank you, sir.
He is giving you this
We've
kind of
been,
sweet dish for
offered,
you.
some sweet-
It's a special
sort of sweet dish.
Mehrbani Shah
So
Sahib.
I'm going to try it later. So, thank you. This is another this is shrine here as well.
This blue pottery is a trademark of Multan construction. Blue pottery.
Oh, blue
Yes.
pottery. Okay.
Small doors where in past women sits here for prostitution with the makeup and other things, and attracting for customers and clients. And now this has been government abandoned them
Abandoned.
and
Nobody lives here.
nobody. These are also the dancing areas. Over the floor, they perform. People comes and giving them money and enjoying with dance and singing. And these are the older. These are the older buildings. Look at this. Yes.
There's one of this tea stall here. You can see.
Na kya toda? Sabar. His name is Sabar. He is a very competent cook of these.
Chinese pulao.
No, he's cooking Chinese pulao here.
Chinese pulao. Wow. Very nice. What is in here?
इधर दुकान का दो नंबर.
This is his shop.
Yes, he's a.
So
Oh, the Tony Dukan.
look at the rice here. Is
And
it
that
rice?
is sweet rice. That is pulao, saltish. That is zarda.
This is a sweet rice, just the salty rice here in this one. And there is some Chinese dish as well.
enjoying and tasting the typical Multani kheer. We called it kheer. It's a blend of rice, sugar, and other ingredient of different important things. These two shops are historical shop inside Haram Gate.
I didn't have to pay much for my food all day today. I only paid for my breakfast this morning. But all the teas and all the keys and rice puddings are free of cost so far.
Different thing of this part is that female are the shopkeepers here. Otherwise,
Oh,
no
this-
bazaar you will find any woman shopkeeper.
This.
But here on the Bengal street, you can find the female shopkeepers.
Okay.
Majority of the shop closed due to the Friday.
Yeah.
And these are also clueless history. How much older we cannot assess, but maybe that could be 200 years back. And the other thing which I would like to tell you, Multan's history is clueless. Majority of the historian research on it, how much older Multan, but they are still clueless how even they got the elements before Christ, and still the researchers and the historians are searching how much older is Multan.
Oh.
And these are also very expensive.
Really?
But people comes and buy. Sheikh Sahib, ये चार कितने के बराबर? It costs 2,000 rupees. These fours.
Oh, the four pieces of this
Four pieces
feet
of these legs cost 2,000.
Look at this building, man.
Look at the inner atmosphere of the shop,
Yeah.
making the
It's
grill
still the
there.
same design, same construction, everything is same.
Yes. More than 300 years history, a very oldest building, a typical Hindu mythology architecture. And before 1940, after 1947, it was claimed by the Indian Muslims in Pakistan. It's a more beautiful.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Very nice. That's